Got IP banned on Instagram out of nowhere? Can't log in no matter what you try? Before you panic, today I'll explain why Instagram bans IPs, show you 2 proven fixes, and how to avoid future bans. Let's get your account back fast. Let's talk about why Instagram bans IP addresses. Here are 3 key factors. The first reason is about violating community guidelines. If you post content that goes against Instagram's community guidelines, such as explicit sexual material, hate speech, bullying, harassment, or the promotion and sale of restricted goods and services like drugs, weapons, or counterfeit items, your account can be flagged. Secondly, you act like a bot. Instagram also looks out for suspicious activity that resembles the behavior of bots or automated scripts. This includes mass following or unfollowing users, liking or commenting on a huge number of posts in a very short period, or using third-party automation tools. The last reason is about multi-account abuse. Instagram allows users to manage multiple accounts, but if it detects an unusually high number of accounts being operated from the same IP, especially if those accounts are being used to interact with each other or to perform suspicious activities, it may consider this an attempt to manipulate the system or evade previous bans. So there are 2 main ways to fix the Instagram IP ban. Let's get started. The first way is through Instagram support. If you're sure that you don't break any rules on Instagram, head to help.instagram.com website to find privacy, security, and reporting option. Here is an I can't log in option. It provides some ways to fix the issue. You can try these ways. Secondly, you can change your IP address for Instagram. Since Instagram has blocked you by IP, you can no longer enter from the previous address. This means that if you register a new account with the same IP address, you could be banned again. Considering this situation, changing your current IP address is one of the working ways to fix this issue. Download UFO VPN on your devices. Launch UFO VPN on your device and select a server. Finally, connect the server and launch Instagram app on your device. You've got 2 methods to fix IP ban issues now. Let's give you some advice to avoid IP bans on Instagram. First, always follow Instagram's community guidelines. Avoid posting content that could be considered explicit, violent, or offensive. This includes not sharing sexually explicit material, hate speech, threats, or anything that could be seen as bullying or harassment. Also, don't attempt to sell or promote goods and services that Instagram bans, such as drugs, weapons, or counterfeit products. Second, avoid excessive automated actions. If you're rapidly following hundreds of users, liking thousands of posts, or leaving lots of comments in a short window, Instagram's systems may flag you as a bot or spammer. Last but not least, limit the number of accounts registered on the same IP address. Try to use only a few accounts per device and avoid registering multiple new accounts from the same IP address. If you do need to manage more than one account for business or personal reasons, consider using different devices or network connections, or connect VPN to keep each account separate and reduce the risk of triggering an IP ban. Now you're back on Instagram like a pro. If this helped, smash that like button and tell me in the comments which method saved you. Want more tips? Subscribe and hit the bell.